Today we talk about the amazing F-35 Lightning, one of the most advanced and versatile fighters in the world. Stay until the end. Like, share, and subscribe. Welcome aboard and fasten your seatbelts. The F-35 Lightning II is one of the most advanced and versatile fighter aircraft in the world, developed by Lockheed Martin. It represents a leap in combat aviation technology, integrating stealth, speed, agility, advanced sensors, and network-centric warfare capabilities. As a fifth-generation multi-role stealth fighter, the F-35 is designed to perform ground attack, aerial reconnaissance, and air defense missions with unparalleled efficiency. The F-35 program emerged from the United States Department of Defense's Joint Strike Fighter JSF initiative, launched in the 1990s to develop a family of aircraft that could replace a wide variety of aging platforms across different military branches. The goal was to streamline costs and maintenance by designing a single airframe with modular capabilities adaptable to U.S. Air Force, Navy, and Marine Corps, as well as allied nations. After a competitive phase between Boeing and Lockheed Martin, the X-35 design was selected over Boeing's X-32. Lockheed Martin partnered with Northrop Grumman and BAE Systems to develop the F-35. The first flight of the F-35 took place in December 2006, and since then, the aircraft has undergone continuous development, testing, and deployment. One of the defining features of the F-35 is its stealth capability. Unlike earlier stealth aircraft that were designed primarily for low observability in certain flight profiles or from specific angles, the F-35 incorporates an all-aspect stealth design. Its shape, internal weapons bays, radar-absorbing materials, and minimized heat signature all contribute to a radar cross-section as small as a metal marble. Stealth is not just about evading detection. It allows the F-35 to approach enemy targets without being seen, giving it a first strike advantage. It also makes the aircraft more survivable in heavily contested environments where traditional fighters will be quickly engaged and potentially neutralized. The F-35's advanced avionics and sensor suite give exceptional situational awareness. At the heart of its capabilities is the APG 81 ASA radar, capable of tracking multiple targets in the air and on the ground simultaneously. Complementing this is a distributed aperture system DAS, a network of 6 infrared cameras mounted around the aircraft. This system provides a pilot with real-time, 360-degree imagery of the surrounding environment, visible through the pilot's helmet-mounted display. Sensor fusion is another revolutionary aspect of the F-35. Data from all sensors, radar, infrared, electronic warfare systems, and external sources are processed and displayed in an integrated format. This dramatically reduces pilot workload and enhances decision-making in fast-paced combat scenarios. The F-35 can share this data with other aircraft and command centers, acting as an airborne sensor node in a larger network. The F-35 comes in 3 distinct variants, each tailored to the specific needs of the different U.S. military services. The F-35A is a conventional takeoff and landing (CTOL) version used by the U.S. Air Force. It is the lightest and most agile variant, equipped with an internal cannon and optimized for traditional airbase operations. The F-35B is the short takeoff and vertical landing style version used by the U.S. Marine Corps and the UK Royal Navy. It features a lift fan and a rotating rear nozzle that allow it to operate from short runways and amphibious ships, a critical capability for expeditionary operations. The F-35C is the carrier-based version used by the U.S. Navy. It has larger wings, a reinforced landing gear, and a tailhook for catapult launches and arrested landings on aircraft carriers. The F-35C has the longest range of the 3 variants and is optimized for naval operations. The F-35 is designed as a multi-role platform, capable of performing a wide array of missions. These include air superiority, engaging enemy fighters using advanced air-to-air missiles and superior situational awareness, close air support, providing support to ground troops in complex and dangerous environments, and strategic strike, using stealthy precision bombs to target high-value enemy positions. The aircraft is also capable of electronic warfare, including jamming enemy radars and communications, and intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance ISR, collecting and relaying critical battlefield information. The F-35 is not just an American aircraft. It is a global defense program involving numerous international partners and customers. Nations including the United Kingdom, Italy, Australia, the Netherlands, Japan, South Korea, and Israel have integrated the F-35 into their air forces. Its interoperability among NATO and allied forces enhances collective defense strategies and standardizes operations across different military systems. Each partner nation contributes economically and industrially to the program. The production facilities and component manufacturing spread across the globe. This international collaboration has helped reduce unit costs and promote technological exchange. Despite its groundbreaking capabilities, the F-35 program has faced criticism for cost overruns, delays, and technical issues. Early versions of the aircraft encountered problems with software integration, helmet displays, and logistics systems. The Autonomic Logistics Information System, ALIS, intended to streamline maintenance and supply chains, was later replaced by a new system called Odin due to performance shortcomings. Critics have also questioned the program's expense. With a projected lifetime cost exceeding $1 trillion, the F-35 is one of the most expensive defense programs in history. However, supporters argue that its versatility, survivability, and network capabilities justify the investment. As the F-35 matures, its role in future combat scenarios is increasingly vital. Upgrades are continuously being introduced, including Block 4 enhancements that will add new weapons, improved electronic warfare systems, and increased computing power. Its adaptability makes a central pillar of future air power concepts, such as Joint All-Domain Command and Control, JDC2. In the age of near-peer competition, where adversaries like China and Russia are developing their own fifth-generation fighters and anti-access/area denial, A2/AD strategies, the F-35 stealth, sensor fusion, and multi-role performance make it indispensable. The F-35 Lightning II is more than a fighter jet. It is a symbol of modern military integration, technological dominance, and multinational cooperation. It embodies the future of aerial warfare, where data is as critical as firepower and survivability depends on invisibility. As it continues to evolve, the F-35 is poised to maintain air superiority for decades to come.